Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today is the last day of my project. I will hit the 10k videos on YouTube. In today's newspaper on Friday, January the 31st, 2025. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this daily newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them today because otherwise I will upload more than 10k videos. So what I will do is I make a PDF file so you can download it or print it. These 3 regular puzzles I will solve for the last time, and regular puzzles, and I will do, although it's the last Friday of the month, usually the first Friday of the month I will do a speed test, but today I will do also the last speed test. Yeah, this one will be number 998. So we have 3 puzzles left. 998. 4 times a 9, and then the 10k. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Okay. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated. Usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, this puzzle, no comments, no instructions, so it's a speed test. So it will be faster. So let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Okay. 5, 5, 4, 1. I need a 5 here. I need a 7 there. 9. I need an 8. I need a 1 here. I need a 5 there. 5, need a 5, need a 2, 3, need a 4, 5, 7, need a 7 here. 7, 7, 7, 7. I need a 6, need a 8, 6, need a, come on, 9, need a 9 here. 2, 3, 7. Should be the 1 and the 5. 2, 3 and 8. 2, 3 and 8. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 7 here. 8 and then 9. Oh, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Here should be the 2 and the 3. Here should be the 4 and the, nope, we have a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 8. 8, 8, 8. Need a 4 here, 2 and 3. Need a 2 here. Need an 8 here. 8, 8. One number left should be the 4. 4, 6. Need a 4 here. And 9. And come on. 1, 2, and 6. 2 and a 6. Need a 2. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 5, 5, 2 and a 3, 7. 7. Need a 7 there. 2 and a 3. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 1, 2, 3, 8 and 9. Come on, come on. Need a 1. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 1 here. 6 and a 1, of course. And the 1 number left should be the 7. Need a 7 there. 6 and a 1. Mm-hmm. 2 and a 3. We have a pair here. 2, 3, and the other should be the 1 and a 8. 1 and 8. We have an 8 here. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 goes there. 6 goes there. And a 6 here. 8 and a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 8. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 1 box left for the number 2. 1 box left for the number 3. 2, 3. This should be the 3. 2 and the 4. Here the 4 and here the 1. 2 and the 3. 2, 3. Finished. 7 minutes. Minus 2. 5 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.